Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohart, and today I blow out 37 candles because I am the birthday monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and as you guys can tell already, your boy's in a festive birthday mood and everything, so we're going to be celebrating with you guys, and we're going to be unboxing something I actually got from Antisocial Social Club. You already know I love me some Antisocial Social Club and everything, and yes, the birthday special. So if you guys want to give me a gift, and it's not $1,000, you know, just hit that subscribe button, join the Monster Club. I do highly appreciate it and everything, and yes, hope you guys are all having a safe, great, and blessed day. I'm just happy to actually have a day off. Your boy has been working like crazy, so yes, I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this one. I'll probably be working on some new things, cleaning my house, and just getting things situated. But yes, new pickup, Antisocial Social Club. You already know what it is and everything. And definitely get right into it. And I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. Okay, guys, so your boy is kind of cheating a little bit. My birthday's actually tomorrow, but I decided, you know what? I don't really feel like doing anything tomorrow besides enjoying my day and spending it with family. So I actually might do a live stream with you guys for an hour. So probably from 6 to 7. I'm gonna probably do a live stream on YouTube and everything where I can just hang out and chill out and talk with you guys and drink some beers and just, you know, kick it. But I don't know, overall video wise, I think I'm just gonna drop this one today, and it's the birthday special. So yeah, let's just break open a beer real quick. And so it's the Monster Club. So good. Cheers to a happy birthday to me. And yeah, so we're gonna do something new, guys. I'm gonna set a subscribe goal for each month, and I think if we hit that goal, I think I'm gonna do something extra special for you guys. So I'm gonna say the subscribe goal of July is 100. So right now we're at 446. So by the time we hit August, if we're at 546, then again, you already know I do giveaways at 100 subscribers, but we're gonna do something. I'm gonna figure it out, but we're gonna do something extra chill for you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, tell a friend, share it on your Discord, do all that good stuff. And the more we do it, the quicker I'll get to my goals, and the more I'll get back to you guys. But anyway, I've talked your guys' ear off enough. Get to the pickup. And shout out to Antisocial Social Club for actually sending my stuff. And if you guys like Antisocial Social Club, subscribe, because again, you will be seeing a lot of them, especially after all the stuff I ordered Saturday's fight night, which might be a slight spoiler for what it is. But okay, so we got oh, I know what this is. I kind of forgot to order this actually. They sent a sticker, which is, but okay, it's like weirdly attached to my receipt. I don't know why they would do it like that, but there's that. Okay, so this is actually the Antisocial Social Club NASA collaboration. For those that don't know, I am a huge fan of NASA clothing, I should say. But anyway, here it is. Check it out, check it out. Fresh off the presses. You got NASA on the front. On the back, you got Antisocial Social Club. And the cool thing about this shirt, it actually glows in the dark. Really can't show you, well, you can't really see it now because I just took out the package and had time to like be lit up and whatnot. Maybe let me see something. Let me try this real quick. Well, you can kind of see it, sort of. But yeah, this is definitely gives me like summer beach vibes and whatnot. Like this might be a shirt that's on me next year in Virginia Beach. Definitely rock with it. Definitely go with any of my NASA cloud packs, which I have a couple of, and I think it's overall a really cool shirt. Okay, guys, I kind of wanted to mention on the sleeve you have an American flag. It also says Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour. And yeah, just kind of wanted to mention it was there. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for my new Antisocial Social Club / NASA collaboration pickup. Honestly, I love it. If those that are curious, it was like $58 before tax. So yeah, it was definitely up there and whatnot. But I've been working hard. I think it's a cool shirt, and I thought, why not? Sometimes you just gotta spoil yourself. You only live once, so might as well just live it up sometimes. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Your boy has a ton of new stuff I'm gonna be dropping this week. Like, I'm excited for these I'm excited about all my videos, but mainly these ones. Like, they're coming basically from Virginia Beach and stuff I was filming out there, and your boy was living his best life. If you haven't seen my Instagram at PartyMonster05, go check it out. It'll definitely give you a little bit of a sneak preview of what you're bound to see in the video. And yeah, I always enjoy editing the vacation vlogs. They're always the most fun ones to put together. Challenging as well, but I don't know, I always have fun with that. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, share with a friend, and as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on all my social media platforms at PartyMonster1 on X, at PartyMonster05 on Instagram, and yeah, that sums it up. But let me give you this one key advice. This is like my birthday gift to you guys. In all cases, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dude. Peace. I love all y'all. Bye. Happy birthday. I'm out. Love y'all.